Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. As you can see, here is a neck warmer I made this week. I used some special stitches to make this textured white pattern. So today we will explore how to make this one. This is just a short neck warmer. I stitched both ends together to make it a tube-like thing. So let us begin. By the way, I am using the medium weight yarn and 5 mm crochet hook. I did crochet all across, and I have including the chain, a turning chain, it is 23 double crochet. Now I am going to add my next color. So I didn't finish this double crochet fully, just only yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then I have 2 loops on the hook. Now I am going to take the white yarn and pull through the 2 loops. Now that stitch is finished. Now I am going to make chain 3 and turn. Now I am going to make a double crochet in the first in this stitch, not the first stitch, the next stitch. Now we are going to make that textured stitch. So I make chain 1, then I yarn over the hook and go inside the hook between the turning chain and the first double crochet. Using this double crochet as a post, I am going to go under and grab the yarn, bring it up. Then one more time, yarn over inside the hook, get the yarn, bring it up. One more time. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on the hook. Now I am going to yarn over and go through all the 7 loops on the hook. Now I am going to make 1 chain. Then I am going to skip the next 2 stitches and going to make 1 double crochet, and again going to make 1 more textured stitch. So chain 1, then using this post, yarn over insert the hook, bring up a loop, then yarn over again, insert, bring up a loop, one more time. So I have 7 loops on the hook. I now grab the yarn over the hook, go through all the 7 loops on the hook. Now chain 1, then skip the next 2 chain and make a double crochet and repeat. Now there is only 3 stitches left, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. So I'm going to skip this one and going to put a double crochet on the last turning chain, on the top of the turning chain. Looks like this. Now I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to unravel this one halfway. So I have 2 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to cut this yarn and use the same color to go the next round. Now I'm going to take the first color and bring it through both the loops on the hook. So this row is completed. I'm going to chain 1, then turn my work and make a single crochet in the first stitch. Then I am going to make an extended single crochet in the skipped 2 stitches of the previous row. So I am going to insert my hook in the first skipped stitch, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over and go through both the loops. We'll do one more time. Insert the hook, bring up a loop and bring it up so it will be up to the height of this first single crochet we made. Then make a single crochet. Go to the next stitch. It is a skipped stitch here. So we go there, insert the hook, bring up a loop to the height, then make a single crochet. Then there is a space on top of this small bead. So I am going to make a single crochet there. Then I am going to make an extended single crochet in this stitch. These two are the skipped one of the previous row. Bring up a loop, bring it up. Then insert the hook in the next skipped stitch, bring up a loop. Now I am going to put a stitch in this textured bead one. Then again going to make the extended single crochet. 2 extended single crochets, then 1 stitch on the bead. Then 2 extended single crochet and a single crochet on top of here. So you can see this stitches are like this white is framed in the pink one. Then make a single crochet in the last turning chain. Then we chain 1 and single crochet in the first and the next and all over. Then we do one more time single crochets up to here. I will show you. One single crochet on each of the stitches. You can count, if you are counting it will be 23 single crochets. Then chain 1, turn. Chain 1 is not considered as a stitch, so we make a single crochet in the first stitch. So after the textured one we are doing one row of extended one row of single crochets and extended single crochets, then next 2 lines of single crochets alone. Then we make again this textured stitch. This is the last single crochet, so we are not finishing that one. We cut this one here and going to use the white yarn, join it here and make chain 3, because this is the double crochet and the textured beads. 2 and 3, not on that one. The first double crochet is considered as the stitch, so I don't know how to make a stitch here. I have to make it next one. Then make chain 1 and skip the 2, go. Then once you finish everything, what I did is here I stitched the bottom and top together to make it a tube, so it will be a neck warmer. This is the row with the extended single crochets and regular single crochets. Then we do 2 rows of regular single crochets. Then again go back to the textured stitch. I think it is an easy pattern to make something beautiful. You can make a headbands, you can make ear warmer, you can make a big scarf, or it can be a blanket as well. What are you going to make with this one, I wonder? And do you want to use only 2 colors, or you want to go with several colors? I'm thinking of making a matching cap as well for this neck warmer. This stitch is pretty easy. If you guys are making something other than what I suggest, please let me know in the comments. If you like this pattern, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who like to crochet. I will be adding videos mostly every week, and my social media links are given in the description box. If you like a written pattern, let me know. I can add it to my website. Hope you like this pattern. So see you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.